This is the first of our series of going to the Bahamas, and here we are in South Florida. It is 38 degrees and just colder than a witch's tit, and we're just gonna, well, I guess I can't say it on YouTube, can I? Oh, it's colder than the well digger's ass, and can't say that either?
I don't know.
No, we're gonna find out. So anyway, we're taking off this morning from Stuart, Florida. Hang on, I got a beeping here. And making our way to West Palm. And we're gonna anchor there tonight. We've got how many bridges, Shell?
9.
9 bridges. Oh boy. So, ride along. And hope you're warmer where you are than we are here. I wouldn't think South Florida would be this cold, but the rest of the nation's doing worse, so we're lucky.
First of 9 bridges we have to go through today.
You're welcome. Have a good day.
Bridge number 2 out of 9 today.
Only 7 to go. Thanks for the opening. Have a great day.
Roger, Captain. Have a safe trip.
Before setting out today, we made a list of all the bridges between Stuart and West Palm, all 9 bridges, and what time they open, whether it be on the half hour, quarter hour, or on the hour. That way we could time how fast we had to go. As a rule, you want to make between 6.3 to 6.5 knots, which was a challenge for us because Whiskey's at flank only does 7 knots. We don't like to push her that hard.
Number 8. didn't have to wait for an opening.
After 35 miles, 38 degrees, in 7 hours we were anchored down in West Palm. After a couple of days in West Palm visiting our daughter, we pressed on to Fort Lauderdale. 20 bridges. Gonna be a long day.
It might be, yeah.
I have no idea. Right, you're right. Breakers all the way on the water, right?
Yeah. It looked like it from where we were. 19 bridges today. Here's bridge number 1. Bridge number 2 today. 2 down, many more to go.
At this point, you the viewer, we're not going to put you through watching us go through 20 bridges. We're just going to head and do a little montage of how what a beautiful day it was and move on forward to Fort Lauderdale. After a final night to provision in Fort Lauderdale, we cast the lines and headed for the Bahamas.
Well, here we go. First leg crossing the Gulf Stream to the Bahamas. Back here. I'm gonna clean up all these lines. Yes.
I don't like to use my wing.
Got a lot of cleaning to do here. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
What? What?
Just ran aground. Where's the channel? What the fuck?
Oh, it's over there.
Oh, shit. I thought it was this way. We'll get out of here. Tide's low, it's going up. See, I didn't have my aqua maps on. We're painting the bottom deal.
We didn't paint it. Oh, now we're really
Yep.
outside.
I'm so sorry, Shell.
It's okay. It's just gonna happen.
there. As I tried to power whiskey free off the sand, thoughts raced through my mind. How did we end up here? Will we ever make it to the Bahamas? Does God exist? Who invented liquid soap and why? For these answers and a whole lot more, tune in next week to Sailing Whiskey. If you're enjoying the videos, like and subscribe. We'll see you next week.